Okay, so today we want to talk about the difference between mortgage insurance and mortgage life insurance, because sometimes when people buy a home, part of their loan program requires them to have mortgage insurance. And then after you close on your home, a lot of times, regardless of if you had mortgage insurance or not, you're going to start to get things in the mail suggesting that you get mortgage life insurance. Two totally different things. So Bryan's going to explain a little bit to us about why you may be interested in having mortgage life insurance.
Sure. So mortgage insurance is typically put on a loan because of the amount of money you put down. So
Right.
if you're putting less than 20% down, the lender will oftentimes require you to carry some sort of mortgage insurance that protects them in the event of default. And once you have that 20% down through time while you're paying on that loan, then you can oftentimes request that they remove that mortgage insurance.
Right.
But what that doesn't pay for is the house payment in the event something was to happen to you, if you are the income provider that is taking care of the house payment for the family. So that's where that mortgage life insurance comes into play. And the reason why that solicitation happens at that point is because it is a new loan that's been filed, and that's public information. And so they know that this is a time when you may want to relook at your insurance policies, including your life insurance policies. So the importance of mortgage life insurance is it pays off the house if something were to happen to you, so that the family can stay in the house. It's typically done with some sort of term insurance. You can add other types of things to it. So instead of just paying off the house, you could say also to pay off the education for the kids, maybe the other debts like credit cards and the cars, maybe even a little income replacement. And it's done with term insurance, so the cost of it's very low, and oftentimes you don't even have to qualify with a medical examination. So mortgage life insurance is affordable, and it's quick issue. You can do it right over the telephone, and it is a good idea.
Awesome. Well, I think it's important to note that oftentimes after you buy a home and when you're in the process of buying a home, the floodgates open in terms of solicitations and mail. And sometimes it's hard to know like what's a scam and what isn't. And I think this is one of those times when it comes to spending money on something that's as important as insurance and life insurance and mortgage life insurance, you're really talking with somebody that you know and trust and is guiding you down the right path in terms of what you're selecting. So thank you so much for this information, Bryan. We really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Thank you.